how to fix GTA 5 textures problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Only to do, just right click here and then click task manager, and once you're here, all you need to do, you will find it like that. Then just right click on Google Chrome and click into task. All the applications that takes a lot of your memory and unnecessary applications like Google Chrome, right click and end task and OBS end task, and that's it. Then after that, just type here background apps. Now just turn it off, and now just try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. If that doesn't fix it, just close the applications from here, right click and last option, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.